Welcome to my channel. Hello, friends. Today, we'll set up the TP-Link Archer BE3600 Wi-Fi 7 router. First, unbox the router. Inside, you'll find the router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and manual. Place the router in a central location in your home for better signal. Plug the power adapter into the router and then into a wall socket. Now take the Ethernet cable and connect your modem to the blue WAN port on the router. Turn on your modem if it's not already on. Wait for the router lights to turn on, especially the power and internet lights. Now take your smartphone or laptop and go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the default TP-Link Wi-Fi. The name and password are written on the bottom of the router. Open a browser and type tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. Log in. The default username and password is admin. The quick setup page will open. Follow the steps shown. Select your internet connection type. If unsure, select dynamic IP or ask your internet provider. Now set your new Wi-Fi name and strong password for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Also set a new login password to protect your router settings. The router will reboot and apply your settings. That's it. Your TP-Link BE3600 is now ready. Enjoy super fast Wi-Fi 7.
More tech tips and router setup guides, contact us.